Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about something that catches a lot of people off guard. Sometimes it's not one problem, sometimes it's two, sometimes it's three, and occasionally it's even more than that. This matters because beginners often assume there will just be one perfect explanation that ties every symptom together. And sometimes that's true, but not always. For example, a PC may be slow because it still has a very old hard drive, and also feel worse because it's just full of junk. A laptop may have poor battery life, but it may also have a charging port issue. A startup or boot failure might involve both the operating system issues as well as RAM that is beginning to fail. If you force everything into one explanation too early, you can miss what's really happening. Now, that does not mean you should automatically assume every device has multiple problems, but it means you should stay open to that possibility that when clues don't fully fit one clean answer. This is where good troubleshooters stay flexible. They do not cling too hard to their first theory. They keep asking, does this explanation really account for everything I'm seeing? And if it doesn't, they allow for the possibility of stacked issues or multiple issues. That's a much more mature troubleshooting mindset than just chasing the one magic answer. All right, your next action step after this lesson is to think of one example where two separate issues could easily be confused as one.